Welcome to another module of Lead Generation Mastery. We'll be exploring arguably the most popular social media platform, Facebook, and how it can help us to generate leads. To get started, you must first set up a Facebook page. Almost all organizations have a Facebook page. It's an opportunity for you to promote your products or services. Above all, it's a communication tool for you to connect with people and expand your reach. The best part of setting up a Facebook page is it's free, fast, and easy. Once you've set up a Facebook page, you must first get followers. There are many ways to do this, including advertising your page on Facebook itself. Whichever approach you choose, just remember that it must bring people to your Facebook page and increase the number of likes. It's important to keep your presence in the social media world. Always keep your Facebook profile updated. Be active and attend to your Facebook page. Remember that it is a communication tool. Some of the users will make inquiries and comments on your page that demand your attention immediately. However, it is not recommended that you make a Facebook post more than once a day. Avoid posting multiple updates in a day as best as possible. All your updates will appear on your followers' news feeds. If you flood their news feeds with your updates, they might choose to unfollow your page. Now that you have followers and you're ready to post updates, include the link to your website whenever you make a post. Your website should be made easily accessible. This is important especially whenever you post an image content, for example, an event poster. A pictorial post gets more response and likes than a textual post. Secondly, you must include a call to action in your Facebook page to bring people to your website. In your Facebook About page, you can provide your official website's URL, but you can make your web address more visible by including it in your header page. The header of your profile is a custom image of your preference. You can design a header image with the fitting size and include your web address there. Lastly, there was a plugin for Facebook that allows you to provide forms on your Facebook page. This way, you can get the user's email address without having them to even navigate to your landing page. It's direct, it's fast, and it gets results.